Hello everybody, hi, welcome to another tutorial on how to make a graphic art with your smartphone. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be making this unique design, right? And as we're teaching you, please follow along, practice and put your own work. Thank you. So first of all, we come over and then we go to our particular the app we're using, which is called Pixellab. Okay, so this is already the design and we will just start from scratch. So starting from scratch, have two options: can delete everything or you can decide to take a new background. All right, now we did this with the system, and since we did it with the system, it shows that we can replicate it. All right, so first of all, yes, we have a brand style guide for this, and that's over here. Come over to WPS office. Okay, just in a bit. It's still coming up. Please wait a bit patient. Alright, okay, so we have over here style guide. Alright, so here in style guide we have these various features. Unlock your, you can see the font type, creativity, you can see the font type, the color, font type, color, and other details and everything. So we just use this in our creation process. So here we go, come over. So the first thing is that we have unlock your, we're going to write that down. Unlock your, then over here unlock your. Okay, so is the font we used for unlock here is actually Fendisa, and Fendisa was a downloaded font. In one of our videos you'll see how to download fonts, one of the videos in this series. And okay, Fendisa. Then the next thing is that we made it with a white colored font and gave it a red stroke. So stroke red. Awesome. Now the next thing is that imputed another text, and that's creativity. Now creativity, the font type for creativity is basketball. Have it. Fonts that are in this part of your work, they are normally downloaded fonts, and you can download them from, I'll just write it, the font.com. No, the font.com. So you could download them from the font.com. So there we go. So this is creativity, it's used with basketball. Then just open it up a bit. So you're gonna make the color red, color code red. Awesome. No stroke effect, nothing else. So these two, they can be together, and we join them together and then take them a bit upwards. Unlock your creativity. Awesome. All right, so however, I'm still going to use this particular one, so I could just copy it and still crop, so still merge these two and then take it over. Right, awesome. So here we go. Now from my design I have how to put your mind to work. Okay, then reduce this by 4 points. 1 2 3 4. Now let's take it to 51. Okay, good. 45. How to put your mind to work. This can go down a bit. Now, for evenness, actually, to have a consistent work, it's also good to note your size, the size you're using consistently. We'll use 39 here. Yeah, for other works, we'll continue with that. So, how to put your mind to work. Now, the next thing after how to put your mind to work is that I put the name of our speaker, who goes by the name Destiny Omawili. So in the original e-file, that was the first one. We'll put Destiny Omawi, and then later on he had to talk to me and tell me like, oh no, it's Destiny Omawili, not Omawi. So change this font. The particular font we used here was Stayola. Here you are. And the size quite smaller, 31 thereabouts. Alright, great. So this is what we had. The next thing is that his first point, and that was put your creativity to work, sort of. Okay. Right, great. So this is what we have. Now the next thing is that, okay, let's examine our preliminary design. Okay, so you see we have certain images here. We have something beneath one, another sort of texture, or well, it's actually an image beneath Creative House, and then we have another image here. So there are three images, and we actually have them. They were all downloaded. There are various sites you could use to download your images. There's Clean PNG and a host of others. So to import, you just use this feature import here. So I'll need to pause my video now. Alright, so these are the two images that we have, 1 and 2. Alright, so the next thing is that here I cropped it and gave it kind of like a circle, sort of circle, take it down, then over here. Oops. Nope. Enlarged it, and okay, yeah, sort of something like this. Right, great. So here we're gonna take it upwards and reduce the size, relative size, 1 2. Okay, good. Then take it 1 1 here. Alright, awesome. And this goes down a bit. Alright. Now the next one is with this image I have here. I actually copied it, increased it a bit, and put it over here. I'll reduce the size just by 1 point. Awesome. Then over here, crop it, take it to circle format, then reduce the size over here, reduce the size a bit, and there we go. Awesome. And take it front, take it down. Okay, then reduce the size by about 1. Okay, so this is the Creative House logo. I would just put it within like the middle. Awesome. So here we go. Then the next thing is that I put a number, and that is 1. Copy here, then remove this and put 1. Particular font we have here is basketball, and then the particular color we have here is white. So basketball and white. Second part is the other image we have, and that is this particular image, here. So there we go. Here we have the video, 16 by 9, put it down. Then over here, I reduce the scale. First thing, reduce the scale, copy it, increase the scale, then take it to the middle, and to adjust the color here. So two white, and awesome. Then here, take it to the middle too, here, and then take it forward. Awesome. Next thing I did is that I give it stroke effect. So here we go, stroke effect. Last stroke effect. Then over here, we actually give the stroke effect. We just need to connect. This is how stroke effect. So when I decide to combine the two, here I want to combine. There we go. Voila. Perfect. Format. Awesome. Then over here, we just need to scale it up so that it looks more pronounced. So let's take it to 16. Good. Then we take the one beneath 3.2, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. There we go. And we're gonna adjust the 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 1, 2, and 3. Yep. So here we have it. Put your creativity to work. And finally, come over here, save as image, choose PNG, choose I, save gallery, and voila, we have our image. So we come to our gallery and look it up. This is the image we just created. This is the other image. So you can see like a degree of accuracy and consistency. So the major thing is that, like, for us to, if you like want to maintain the precise consistency of all this, you could form a template with this, so that the way your logo is placed and the way your other things are placed can be clearly put. So to form a template, I'll just remove the things that are not needed in the other work, and I could just hide them like this. Hide this, hide, because that will always change. So I can form a template and decide, save as project, template 3. So whenever you need it, you come over here and then you have your template. So you can create as many designs as you want with this. Copy, put another 2, then you put your font, basketball, color, white, and adjust it. Then just as we showed in the other process, you create as many as you want, and then you can keep changing the images as you care. So that's simple work for now. Thank you so much for joining in and put your creativity to work. Thank you. Innovator Services, and we are gladly at your service. Thank you.